Alright, here I am on the boat. Had to go down this ladder here. Very steep ladder to here. These are everybody's locker. We each have our own locker. This one's mine. It's fancy gold lock on it. Little towel. And here's our living room, I guess, our rec room for the people in this berthing area. Here's the bathroom. 2 showers, 2 sinks, 2 toilets. And here's where I sleep.
I just walked like it.
Turn that light on. It's like a coffin.
I can fit in here, but I don't know about you.
Does you think it's a tight fit for?
I had a hard time climbing in.
It's kind of dark, but it's 3 high. You got 1, 2, 3. This is where I'm gonna spend the next year of my life. Go Coast Guard. Go Coast Guard.